Starlight, and today I'm going to show you how to make tiny party hats. Tiny party hats are pretty great and you can wear them whenever you like, not just at a party. Here's what you'll need: a cardboard party hat, a hair comb or a hair band, scissors, and anything fun that you'd like to glue onto your party hat, like flowers or pom-poms. You will need your scissors to cut your party hat. It's a tiny party hat, so you just want to make it a little bit smaller. Cut straight across. And then this is going to be your tiny party hat. So what you want to do is you want to fold down these corners like so. And then you're probably going to need a grown-up's help because we're going to be using a hot glue gun. So you want to make sure that your fingers are away from the glue and that you're being really careful. With your hot glue gun, you're going to put some glue on each of the little folded down bits. Like so. And then you're going to grab your hair comb and press it into the glue that you've just put on. This is the bit where you need to hold it for a little bit so that it sticks. And that is the start of your tiny party hat. Now all you need to do is decorate it. I'm going to use my hot glue gun again, so make sure that you've got a grown-up nearby. I'm going to put some flowers on mine. Put your hot glue on, put a couple of dabs on, and then you can put your flowers or your pom-poms, whatever you would like, you can put on. This might be a good time to put some glitter on as well. Your tiny party hat is finished. Now you've got a tiny party hat. I've been Captain Starlight.
It's over.
It's over.
It's over.